click now add. So we say 3.75. So it's now 3.75, but it should be what? Yellow, right? We start 6, we change that first to 18. Then if you want, you can change this one. Okay, it just depends. Then you can change the color from there. So let's see. You take it and just position it very well here. Position it very well. So I'm now going to tick on that one. I click on.
Hello guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you have opened this video, it's either you aim to study abroad, especially United States, or either you have a brother or sister whom you want to help, or either your GPA is not that good and you want to see the magic of you changing your GPA from 2 point something to 3 point something. Okay, so, and I tell you what, you're not going to be disappointed. I bet you by the time we are done with this video, you will leave this place with a smiling face, and I promise you that. I'm not here for views, not here for subscribers, even though at the end of the day I will tell you please subscribe to my channel because I want YouTube to recommend that to other viewers out there who may be interested in the same content. Okay, however, these are things I've gone through. There are certain things I know how difficult it is to get to this point. So I always want to share content that you may even find it difficult to get from other people. Share my experience, okay? Now, before we dive into the video, there are few things I want to highlight. You can skip. I don't have any control over that. You can skip this video and go directly to the video, to the main thing, okay? But let me just highlight certain things. I know we all just want, most often, I feel like this video will not trend. And the reason for that, or it may not even get the views, because we always want to see scholarships fully funded and we click and that's it, and we go directly to the website, apply. Then you may get acceptance or may not, or may even get acceptance without any scholarship, because there are basic things I do say that some people do skip. They see that that's a waste of time for them to listen the rubbish I'm going to say. Sorry for that. However, this makes me happy when I say things that I know people will benefit from, which is why it's the reason behind me creating this channel. For those of you who are returning subscribers, you can testify the fact that if you try to reach out to me, you know how convenient that has been, your experience. You can even comment on the comment section and just tell people, okay, once you reach out to me by email, I will try my best. It won't even take 5 minutes or so, or 10 minutes. You will see the response, except if I'm sleeping. But if I'm not sleeping, I always have my phone, and once I see a message from a subscriber, I'll always try to reach out. And the next thing I will do, I will give you my WhatsApp number. I am the most accessible YouTuber for scholarship out there, and who has time to give you information that is real. I tell you for a fact. I'm not boasting, and I know a lot. I've been away for some time because I have midterm exams, but I'm done now and I'm ready to release videos. Every day, I'm going to release a minimum of 2 videos now. So all you have to do, click that subscribe button, hit down the bell notification so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And always, there is no hate. Share the content. Now, few things I want to mention before we dive into the video. This video is going to change you. But I want to tell you a disclaimer. In as much as I am using my creativity to help you guys, especially in this video, like how to change your GPA, I beg of you, it's more like just a title. In a sense, I'll use instances wherein I'll show you actually how to change that. But I won't advise you to do so. I am just doing it because I think it's important people know how to use this software I'm about to show you guys. How you can make corrections to those minor mistakes in formatting your documents, converting them from PDF to Word, from Word to PDF, from Word to maybe Excel, or Word to PowerPoint, whatever format you compress documents. You know that when you put in certain documents, they will tell you that the file is so large, so you have to compress that. And how to join different documents, like if this is a PDF, this is a PDF, how to join them together, merge them, all of these things. And even if you have a document like a soft copy that you have like 5 pages, if you want to break it down, let's say you want to separate them, you can as well do it with this software. And that's what I'm going to tell you, which is why I told you this is the most important video. And the second thing, the other thing I'm going to show you in this video, and this is amazing. If you have been struggling to write statement of purpose, it's difficult. That's one of the most difficult things when it comes to applying. Some people find it very difficult to write compelling statement of purpose, or this, even these essays that we do see, okay, on scholarships. And today you are just few minutes away from learning, making use of certain tools that you have not been using. So you know that you're not even afraid to apply. After this video, you won't be afraid to apply to any other scholarship, even if they tell you that you have to write a leadership passage or whatsoever write-up you want to do. I'm going to show you. So all you have to do, stick with this video, watch it till the end. Anyways, I don't have any control over you for you to watch it till the end. You can skip, it's okay, okay? But I promise you, you're going to learn something from this. And all you have to do for me, even if you don't subscribe, okay, please share, just share it. Maybe there's someone else who I may be able to help and change their lives. That's the goal, okay? See you guys. Enough of the talking, and let's get to the work and let's do the job.
Something I have done. So you guys are going to see. So I say write a personal statement for master's degree seeking students, including why California University, just say that's what they ask you, why studying. So I'm going to click on civil engineering. Why studying civil engineering? What are your future goals? So something like that. Once you are done typing everything, or just copy from that and click on search. So you get this one. But my focus is not here. So what I have done, I have added ChatGPT as part of my Google. So that's like extension. You can search on Google, on YouTube, how to add ChatGPT as an extension to your Google. Okay, you should be able to do that. It's very simple. I can't do it on this video because that's not the goal. So now you can see it. You ask ChatGPT. Okay, because I've added it. So whatever answers Google gives me, ChatGPT is here if I need that. So I'm just going to click on this. But we'll see what's going to happen. Once I click on this, you see, it's saying, so now it's generating, writing the personal statement. So now, perfect. And this is what exactly some books gives you. Like writing a personal statement for master's degree is important, so blah, blah. When discussing so basically they are just guiding me. This is not what I want. I want them to write it for me. So once you want that, you continue, you go down, you say continue in chat. So now I want them to write. Please write it for me. Okay? Please write it for me. So first I'm just going to tell them, please write this for me. And they are going to say, sure. Let's see. Sure. Will you please provide me with the text or formula whatsoever? So I'm now going to this one again and just copy the whole of this. So that's the plan. We're going to copy the whole of that. Okay, copy that and paste it here. This is what I want them to write about. So I'll click on this. So look at it now. You see that? You see that? You see? So I'm going to show you now. You see this? As a passionate individual seeking to further my education and expertise in civil engineering, I'm excited to express blah, blah. They are going to answer all the questions, my future goals. You see, I have always been fascinated by the interior design and construction, blah, blah, blah. Everything is here. But let's say I want it to be more compelling. I don't need this one. Okay, you can just write them again. Please write a very compelling one. Write a more convincing one. Write a more convincing one for me, please. So you click on this one. Okay, a more convincing one. Look at it. Look at it. You look at it. Look at it now. Certainly, here is a more convincing. California University stands out to me as the perfect institution to pursue my master's degree in civil engineering. The university's reputation for academic excellence. No introduction. So I'm going to tell again ChatGPT that no introduction. Why? Please give introduction. Please add introduction. So please add introduction. See, certainly. So look at it now. If added, certainly here is a more convincing. From a young age, I have been captivated by intricate design and construction of buildings and infrastructures. Studying civil engineering is not just a career of choice. So all of that you can see, and they must have included California here. You see, the fascination coupled with a deep-rooted passion for problem solving and creativity has led me to pursue a master's degree in civil engineering at California University. The university's stellar reputation for academic blah, 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 blah. So all you have to do is just to copy this one and paste it in your Word document and edit. That's all you have to do. You do the formatting. So you just copy all of this. Okay. Look at it here. I'm just going to copy everything here. Okay, copy. So now I'm going to stop sharing. So I will open a Word where I'm going to put this one, because that again has been a problem. I don't know why this thing is giving me issues. So I'm just going to click on, I'm going to share a new tab. So this is it. So now I'm going to, from here, a new file is open. I hope they are showing this one. If not, I'm just going to close this one again. I swear, I don't want to make mistakes this time around. Okay, so here we are. Okay, just going to keep this one. So I'll just paste now. Paste. This is it. So all you have to do is just to format this one. So I will highlight everything and just adjust these documents. I don't need it to be 10. Maybe the university, they will tell you whether it's 12, 11, depend. Then I don't want this font. I want Times New Roman. Then I don't want it to scatter this way. I will click on this one. Perfect. Now I need the line spacing. That one is just formatting our document. Okay. Now the next thing you have to do, don't just copy this one and send it. You have to change some words. Maybe captivated, you want to change that word. Find words similar in meaning. So it won't be like just verbatim, copy and paste. Okay. So that's it. All of that thinking you would have done. You have done it with ChatGPT with ease. And all you have to do is just to make things, better. At least you'll see it as if you are the one that actually did the whole job. And of course, you are the one. So guys, that's it. I hope this time around I have not done like I've been able to show you everything, because if not, I don't think if I have courage again to make this video. Seriously, guys. So that's it, guys. Don't forget, subscribe if you have learned anything from this video. Hit that bell notification so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And this time around, I'm going to continue uploading videos almost every day, because now I'm on midterm break and I want to use that to upload videos for you guys. And these are some of the things that are really, really important. Very, very much important to help you how you use your documents. Okay. See you guys in my next video. So you tell me exactly what you want me to bring for you guys. Don't forget to share the content. That's very much important to me. Okay. Even if you don't want to subscribe or you even don't like this video. So I just want this video to reach to someone that I will be able to help change their story. Okay, guys. See you. Bye.